guys, welcome back to another fabulous Wednesday craft video, and I'm going to be playing with my fringe throughout this whole thing because it won't stay where I want it to stay. So as you can tell, I got my haircut, so let's get that out of the way. And if you see, I think some of my videos that I've had pre-recorded, you won't see my haircut in it, so like I said, we'll just go ahead and get that out of the way. I have my haircut. That is the official thing. It's just, it's bugging me because I'm having some issues with my hair currently, so I'm trying to get that straightened out. Ever since I used that hair dye, it's just, my hair's been a nightmare, so we're trying to work some things out with this. But anyways, that is not the point of this video. The point of this video is to talk about making this cute little coffin tray, you know, like that you put on your center table or something, or that you can, you know, deliver drinks and stuff with. It's got the cute little handles and stuff in it. So that is what the focus of this craft video is for. But before we get into that, if you are new to the channel, this is your first video, consider hitting that subscribe button for me so you can be here for all of our random content. And if you're my current subscribers, hello dears, welcome back. As you can tell, I'm all over the place currently, so there's that. But anyways, this is my finished product, so we'll go ahead and cut to the video and I'll meet y'all back at the end. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed that. Now I did opt, as I told you, one of the things that you were going to need was going to be some 2-part epoxy. As you can tell, we didn't end up using that. I just left mine. It's just the regular paper in there. I'm thinking I might go over something with it later, but after I talked to Eddie, he was concerned that if I put the epoxy on here, it would ruin the paper. So I was like, okay, we'll wait and figure out what to do about the inside. But look at that sparkle. Look at it. And the good thing is you can put your drink in it, and you can serving tray. There we go. I don't know, but yeah. So that is my finished product. As you can tell, it turned out really, really nice, and there's some shiny on the side where I had the paint and stuff. I need to touch up the paint just a hair, but for the most part, it ended up like how I wanted it, because I didn't want it completely, completely new looking, but I also didn't want it completely rustic looking where you put the paint on and wipe it off, put it on, wipe it off. It just, no, I did want it a little bit shiny. And I will leave the link down below where you can actually buy one of these from Joann's, because that's where I got this one from. And they had 2 sizes. This was the big size, and then they had another little one that you can use, but I opted to get the big one because they were 40% off, I believe. I think so. They were 40% off, so I just opted to get the big one. I'm like, come on, just go ahead and get the big one. But some people might not want the big one. I wanted the big one because I have a pretty good sized coffee table, so that's where this is going, and I'm gonna put some little candles and decorations and stuff in it. And so, but yes, so hopefully y'all enjoy this. This is a little bit of a break from the norm of what I've been doing for our craft videos, and I'm sorry I got kind of in a rut because I had finals, and now I'm starting my very last class for my master's. Thank God. I'm almost done. I am almost done, so that's gonna free up so much more time for me to be able to do like craft videos and stuff, and I can't wait. And you know what, we're just gonna push it right there. We're just gonna do it like that. But that's gonna free up so much time for me to do more crafts and stuff, and I can't wait for that, until I find like a better job and stuff, because I have a job, just I want to use my degree once I get it. So there's that. But there we go. Anyways, this was our craft video. Like I said, it was pretty straightforward. You just paint it, and you get some decorative stickers and stuff, and you put on there, paint it however you want to. I've even seen some people where they go ahead and like make like a little skeleton to keep in there, and they keep it standing straight up, and they close up the bottom. I've seen so many people like do different things with these, so it's pretty versatile of what you can and cannot do. The only thing is just test your epoxy before you use it if you want to go the epoxy route. But like I said, for me and my paper and how glittery that is, I just didn't want to ruin it. That was my only concern. And later I might actually take my own advice and test a little piece to see how it would hold up, because I have done that before. Made something look awesome, I cover it with the epoxy, and it completely takes away the texture. It was a sad day, and I was a little upset, but we live and we learn and we move on. So yes, so I hope y'all enjoyed this craft. It does take a good bit of time because you do have to wait for the paint to dry, but other than that, it's fairly cheap. Well, not fairly cheap. It is fairly cheap, but it's fairly quick. But yes, so I hope y'all enjoyed this craft video. Let me know down in the comments what you thought, and if there's anything in particular you would like to see on this channel as far as crafts, or if there's anything you would want me to do, especially since we have Halloween coming up. Woo! So we do all the spooky decor, all of it. But anyways, that was it for this Wednesday. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you've made some of these, you know, tag me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and stuff. I'd love to see it, as always, you know, so we can be part of our big lovely community, a big family. But I will see y'all in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.